Imagine a scenario where you are trapped in a car's trunk, a frightening situation that, unfortunately, happens in real life. It's crucial to know how to alert someone to your predicament. One of the most effective methods available might just be at your heels, literally. The car's back tail lights are your beacon of hope. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to kick out these tail lights, making it possible for you to wave for help and alert passersby or other drivers to your urgent need for rescue. Let's start with the basics. Position yourself so your back is against the trunk's front, and your feet are toward the tail lights. Using your heels, aim for the center of one of the lights. Firm, controlled kicks will increase your chances of breaking through. Once you've shattered the light, carefully clear away any sharp edges. Then, if you can, stick an arm through the hole to make your distress signal more visible. Why does this method work? The tail lights are usually only loosely connected to the vehicle's wiring, making them easier to dislodge than other parts of a car. Plus, the lights are designed to be visible from a distance, ensuring that once broken, any movement inside can be seen by those outside. We will also explore stories of real-life individuals who have successfully used this technique to escape life-threatening situations. These examples not only demonstrate the effectiveness of this method but also underline the importance of staying calm and resourceful under pressure. Understanding and sharing this information is vital. You never know when you or someone you love might need to use this escape strategy. By spreading knowledge on how to kick out tail lights from a car's trunk, we can make a significant difference in emergency situations. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Stay informed, stay alert, and always be prepared. Subscribe to our channel for more practical safety tips and survival strategies. Let's work together to keep each other safe.